Thank you very much, John Paul, Mr. Chief Justice, and my colleagues on the board, Justice Herrera, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. We are very proud to present for the first time, this is a global premiere, a photo exhibit entitled The Life and Times of Artemio V. Panganiban, the once and always chief. If England has its King Arthur, the once and future king, the Philippines has its Artemio V. Panganiban, the once and always chief. So, raktakan natin ating chief. This is a token of our unending love for our chief. For us, he not only was once a chief, but he will always be our chief. So this photo exhibit will show to you the life and times of our Chief Justice, from his humble beginnings to his many achievements, through his life as a student, as a lawyer, as a member of different organizations, as a speaker on diverse subjects, as a prolific writer, all that he is and all that he has become. Therefore, I'd like to welcome you to this opening of this once and always exhibit. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Justice Escuna. Now to give his message, may we call on the Honorable Chief Justice of the Philippines, Honorable Artemio V. Panganiban.
Thank you. My colleagues in the court, both the justices and the officials, dear employees, thank you very much for this photo exhibit led by Justice Helen Gutierrez and prepared especially by Justice Adolfo Escuna, our professional photographer in the Supreme Court. Kaya siya ho, to repeat what I said earlier, hindi lamang isang maestrado, hindi lamang isang singer, kung hindi isang photographer at aspiring dancer pa. Sa palagay ko, bago siya matapos dito sa Korte Suprema, meron na tayong photo finishing school at dancing school. Siya pa rin ang leader nun. Maraming salamat, Justice Adolf. At dadalhin ko dito yung aking mga apo bukas para makita nila kung gaano kagwapo nung bata pa yung kanilang lolo. Ang sabi ni Justice Morales, ang pangit mo pala. Ang pangit mo pala nung bata ka. Mabuti. Mabuti na lang, nagustuhan ka ni Lenny. Yan ang swerte mo, sabi niya. Hindi ka lang nagustuhan, napagwapo ka pa. Kaya kayong mga bata pa, kailangan mamili kayo. Hindi na baling pangit, mahirap naman. Di ba? Yan ang pipiliin nyo. Hindi na baling pangit, basta mahirap sa buhay. Yan ang kailangan nyo pa mahanap. No? But seriously speaking, really, I am overwhelmed by this gesture. Sabi nga ni Justice Adolf, ito'y pambihirang pagkakataon. Ito daw ay global opening. Global opening ng photo exhibit. Hindi ko, kundi kanya. Diba? Ako lang po ang subject matter, ngunit siyang gumagawa. Ito mga exhibit, hindi naman yung subject ang hinahangaan, kundi yung painter, hindi ba? Yung sculptor. Dito, yung photographer ang hinahangaan. Kaya palakpakan natin si Justice Adolf. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat.
Thank you very much, Justice Panganiban. We now proceed to the formal ribbon cutting to be led by, maybe invite.
Ilaw.
premier eh. Bakit kayo?